Hello, welcome to Coach Michael 101, where we listen to music, check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. Now, we are back with the king, Elvis Presley. We're going to check out the song Kentucky Rain. This is a unique song, and I'll kind of explain that when we get to the end. But Elvis, Kentucky Rain, let it roll.
7 lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road.
Absolutely love this song. And he's the king. He's Elvis. So to talk about how wonderful his voice is and that vibrato and that depth and richness, I mean, you're preaching to the choir, right? But you just can't say enough. I mean, there is a reason why he's the king. And it's just something in that voice that I'm sure there has to be like a scientific study somewhere where how it must register in people's brains. It must hit some sort of huge nerve ending in the brain that just makes it so appealing.
So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain.
You know what I love about the song? It touches on all his greatness. It's got the rock vibe. It's got the R&B. It's got the gospel. It has that country feel all rolled into one song. You know, and he is the only person in all the Hall of Fames for those 4 genres. But absolutely just amazing.
In the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, 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 cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain.
sung by Eddie Rabbit. But there's a good end screen. But what I really like about this song that makes it stand out, aside from Elvis singing, aside from the rock, country, gospel, R&B sound all mixed together, is the song leaves you hanging. You don't know. Did he find the girl? He, did he get, or did she at least tell him why she left? You don't know. It's just so unique of an ending to just leave you hanging. But it just all around, just an amazing, amazing song by the greatest single artist of all time. That would be my vote. But if you like what you saw, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you don't miss a single video. This is Coach Michael 101. We listen to music, check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. I'll see you next video.